Hello everybody. Today we're going to be taking a look at making a sort of gated drone type of sound. So I'll just play a clip of audio so you can hear it in context. Okay, so the noise I'm talking about is this one. And it's actually quite a simple sound. So all you need to do is get any synth really is fine, but I'm going to use Serum. So I'm also going to get just a really long note at C2. So a couple octaves up. And then just going to use autoplay from Altar of Wisdom just to generate some kind of grooves for us and sort of do the gating type effect. Okay, so I'm going to start out with an initialized patch. I'll just click in it. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is grab a bandpass 24, go with a fairly decent amount of resonance, maybe, I don't know, 35% or so, or more to taste, really, that's up to you. Okay, and I'm going to set the cutoff down to about, maybe 130 odd hertz. Okay, and then get a macro so I can control this cutoff. And if I just check the bounds of it, it's a bit too high, so let's bring this modulation depth down a little bit. Yeah, about there sounds good to me. Okay, cool. So now we have this. So we're already pretty close to what we're going for. So the next step is to get an LFO, or we can use something else. We could use the pitch bending, but I prefer to just do it with an LFO because I'm lazy. So yeah, let's get an LFO and chuck it on the fine. And so by default, it will set it to the full range of modulation. So what's happening here is no matter what, we can only go as far as one semitone away from the sort of root or the note that we've started on. Okay, so then what we want to do with this LFO is make it considerably slower. So I'm probably going to make it like sort of 8 bars or something. And let's just see what we've got. So we're sort of getting there now. That sounds a lot more like it. Let's just add some ping pong delay. So that's pretty much it. After that, something I quite like to do, just to kind of spice this up a bit, is if we pop into the Wavetable editor, and let's just duplicate it, and then on the duplicated one, let's just go singles, squarify. Now you'll notice that because we've used the squarify, we've ended up with a sort of quieter square, or seemingly quieter square than the saw, but actually the loudness is just about the same between the two of them. So you could use a proper full square for this, but you kind of end up with the square side appearing quite a bit louder. So yeah, I do it like this, and then I just go to morph and then crossfade. So now we can crossfade between saw and a square. And then let's just be lazy again and use another LFO. Maybe set this to like 1.5 bars or something, so it goes in and out of sync with this first one. And yeah, let's see what we've got now. Okay, and then we can do it in other octaves and things as well if we like. We can go even higher or lower for the more sort of grittier stuff, but I quite often like having this type of sound a bit higher up, like I have done here, so that it leaves space for my other sounds, because often it's easy to just chuck in loads of really low pitch and really dark sounds. So yeah, then something I really like to do with this type of sound is to use the distance effect from Robert Henke. There's a link beneath if you want to download that. And yeah, I just set it up so I can automate the distance away it is, so I can make it sort of come closer and further away, and then also use a bit of auto pan as well. All of that before the delay. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.